Here's my Optimus SCT-49 high-speed dubbing stereo cassette deck. And it's got sliding level controls right here instead of rotary, and like some similar models had. I think I'd like the rotary a little bit better. And on the top there is the direction light, and deck 1 is a auto reverse deck, and deck 2 is the one that records. As you can see, it's a little dusty probably. It's really needs cleaned, and I have a light shining on it because every time I even got every light on in the room and it looked pitch black over in this corner or whatever, you know. I don't understand that. Anyway, there's deck 2, and the tape would flip. Fast forward for a second so we don't have to wait. And there's the tape selection. And there's tape 2, deck 1's playback.
The mouse could tell a million tales. Each year is like some rolling freight train, cold as starlight on the rail.
Here's the button that changes directions.
Hanging mighty low, but it's a long, long way from old St. Louis to the gut of.
And the button on this side selects if you wanted to, say, like have the tape play A and B and then stop, and or to play A and B over and over and over again until you actually press the stop button on the player. Right there's phone jack, but there's no volume control for it. It's kind of like similar to line level, I think. And that's how I connect to computer sometimes when I want to record MP3. Right there is the Dolby noise reduction, and as you might be able to see there, it clips the highs a little too much.
On the steamboat line, we hit the deck on a Monday morning, but we'll make the docks on a Saturday night.
The only damage to this machine is, and I accidentally did it, is the tape counter. The reset button is missing. I think I bumped and knocked it off or something. But the tape counter still works. And there's the dubbing switch right there. I just don't have any tapes for it right now. That's about it. There's the power button. Thank you for watching.